Mewing is one of the most important habits you can develop to improve your skull and facial development. So here's the exact technique I use to get my tongue in the right position every single time. So first, I always start by placing my tongue here on my T-spot. So as you can see from the image, it is that small spot right behind your upper front teeth, and this is just a reference point I use to start and also get my tongue equally on both sides of my palate. Now, once the tip of my tongue is on that spot, what I always quickly do is a big smile, and what that does is press my tongue really hard against my palate. I've seen other techniques as well, but this one has always worked the best. It does look a bit dumb, but who cares? Now, after that, I always bring my facial expressions back to normal, so I only really smile for about half a second, and I obviously keep my tongue upwards against my palate when I do so. And then at the end, I always try my best to swallow any saliva that is in between my tongue and my palate. So that allows me to create a suction point between my tongue and my palate, and it makes it much easier to keep my tongue consistently upwards throughout the day. So that is the technique I always use. There's obviously more to this, especially when it comes to keeping it upwards consistently throughout the day, but that is the base technique I use and the one you can use as well. So hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.